In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move and align tables in Google Docs. If you're preparing a report, organizing research, or tidying up a project, getting your tables in the right place can make a huge difference in how polished and readable your document feels. Let's start with moving a table. When you want to shift a table slightly or place it somewhere else on the page, the simplest approach is drag and drop. Hover your cursor over the table and look for a small dotted crosshair icon that appears in one of the table's corners. Once you see it, click and hold that icon. Now drag the table to the spot you want. As you move it, pay attention to how it lines up with your margins and nearby content. When you're happy with the position, release the mouse to drop it in place. This method is quick and perfect for small adjustments. It saves you from changing settings and lets you nudge the table exactly where it feels visually balanced on the page. Next, let's align the table for a cleaner layout. Right-click anywhere inside the table and choose Table Options. A sidebar will open on the right side of your screen. Click on Quick Layouts and you'll see alignment choices. Select Left Align, Center Align, or Right Align, depending on the look you're going for. The table will immediately snap to that alignment. Left alignment is a solid default for most documents and keeps content consistent with normal paragraph text. Center alignment is great when the table is a focal point, like a summary or a price table. Right alignment is less common, but it can be useful when matching specific design styles or aligning with right justified headings. A few quick tips to keep everything tidy after you move or align your table. Always check the surrounding text and headings to make sure nothing shifted in an unexpected way. If spacing looks off, add or reduce blank lines around the table until the flow feels natural. If you're collaborating, consider saving a copy before making big changes so you can easily compare versions. And let your teammates know about layout updates so everyone stays on the same page. By learning how to move and align tables in Google Docs, you'll have better control over your layout and create documents that are clearer, cleaner, and easier to read. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.